Yes. Okay, so can everyone hear me? Tell me. Hello, can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 6 is wait. Next one is a proof problem. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Number 12. Number 12, anyone having any doubt? Okay, 13. 13 is 128. Anyone having any doubt? 14 is 2 root 2. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. 14 is 2 root 2. Next, 15 part 1. 15 part 1 will be equal to cis. Wait a minute. 15 part 1. Yes, 15 part 1 will be equal to cis 2k pi plus 5 pi by 12 upon 4 for k equal to 0, 1, 2, and 3. And this one will be cis 2k pi, cis 2k plus 1 whole pi okay, by 5 for k equal to 0, 1, 3, 4. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Number 16, there will be 5 roots. Number 17 will be equal to 5. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. Tell me, Shomita, Raktim.
Sir, can you solve the 16?
16, this one.
Yes, I'm getting some another answer.
Okay, I'm solving. Z to the power 10 minus Z to the power 5 minus 992 equal to 0. So over here, when you factorize it, how to factorize 31 and 32, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So this will become Z to the power 10 minus 31Z minus 32Z to the power 5 plus 31Z to the power 5 minus 992 equal to 0. This implies Z to the power 5 minus 32 equal to 0, or Z to the power 5 is equal to minus 31. So there will be two cases. Case 1, when Z to the power 5 is equal to 32. Okay. So if Z to the power 5 is equal to 32, okay, what are you getting? This is equal to 32 into cis 0 degree. Okay. That is 32 into cis 2k pi. Okay. So Z is equal to 32 into 32 to the power 1 by 5 into cis 2k pi by 5 for k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Asha, we need to find out those complex numbers which has negative real parts. Okay. For negative real parts, okay, you substitute k equal to 1. Tell me, for k equal to 0, will you get a negative real part? Tell me, Rakti.
No, sir.
No. For k equal to 1, it is 2 pi by 5.
No, sir.
Cos 2 pi by 5 is positive or negative? Positive.
Sir. Yes,
Achha,
sir.
cos 2 into 2 pi by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 pi by 5. Cos 4 pi by 5, negative. Okay, so for k equal to 2, you'll get a negative value. For k equal to 3 also, you'll get a negative value. 2 3s are 6, 5. For k equal to 4, it will lie in the fourth quadrant.
Yes, sir.
So over here, there will be 2 roots. Over here, 2 roots with negative real parts. Case 2. When Z to the power 5 is equal to minus 31. This will be equal to 31 into minus 1, which is equal to 31 into cis pi, right? So z is equal to 31 to the power 1 by 5 into cis 2k plus 1 whole pi, right? Tell me, divided by 5. Okay. Now you need for k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me, Raktima, you get
Yes, C spy, can you please repeat it?
why it is?
C spy.
Okay, it's minus 1, no? Where are you getting minus 1? Tell me, where is cos theta minus 1? Acha,
Uh,
if z
the
is equal
cos
to
180
minus 1, where does z is equal to minus 1 lies? Tell me, on which line?
is in negative real axis.
Negative real axis. So what is the angle?
So pi. Oh yes, sir. Now I understood. Sir.
Cos pi is minus 1, sin pi is 0.
Yes, sir. Now I understood. Sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Now I can solve the remaining.
Okay.
They
After
are
that, you have
exact.
to find out. Anyone else having any doubt? Tell me. Raktim, Devang, Shamili, no, I mean Memel, Anani. Anyone
No,
having
sir.
any doubt? Shamita?
No, sir.
Okay. So what was the last thing we did? Let's see. Okay, this was equation of a straight line we were doing, right? Okay, this was the last thing we had done. Equation of a straight line and everything. Okay. So everyone be prepared for complex numbers also. Complex numbers test will be by the end of this month. Okay, everyone. By the end of this month, we'll be having a complex number test. So keep practicing. Okay. So last day, everyone has understood this part. Okay, equation of a straight line with the help of rotation. Okay, next. Condition for two lines to be parallel and perpendicular. Okay. Our next topic is condition of straight lines. Condition for two straight lines, for two lines to be parallel or perpendicular. Okay, everyone. Number A, for parallel lines, what will happen? These two lines are parallel. For parallelism, these two lines are parallel. Okay, AB and CD. Okay, and DZ4. Okay, so over here, everyone, since the lines are parallel, okay, argument of Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 will be equal to 0 or pi. They can be in the opposite direction also. Argument of Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 is equal to 0 or pi. This implies argument of, this implies we can say Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 is purely real, is purely real. And if it is purely real, what can we say? Tell me, everyone. If complex number Z is purely real, can anyone tell me what should we say? Tell me. What can you say about this complex number? What is the relationship between the complex number and its conjugate? Tell me. Z and Z bar.
Equal to it.
They will be equal to each other. So Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 will be equal to Z1 bar minus Z2 bar upon Z3 bar minus Z4 bar. Remember. For perpendicular, what will happen? Part B. For perpendicular. what will happen? Okay, these two lines are perpendicular. AZ1, BZ2, CZ3, and DZ4. Okay, so over here, argument of Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 is equal to pi by 2 or minus pi by 2. So tell me everyone, if it is pi, if the argument is pi by 2 or minus pi by 2, then the complex number is imaginary. Right, tell me everyone. This implies Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 is purely imaginary. And if a complex number is purely imaginary, then what can we say? Everyone, if a complex number is purely imaginary,
So
then
its
what can we say?
quantity is negative up there.
Yes, Z1 minus Z2 upon Z3 minus Z4 will be equal to minus of Z1 bar minus Z2 bar divided by Z3 bar minus Z4 bar. Okay. Next, general equation of a straight line. General equation of a straight line. Okay, general equation of a straight line. So everyone, if Z1 minus Z2, if Z, I mean, this is the equation Z minus Z1 upon Z2 minus Z1 is equal to Z Z bar minus Z1 bar, Z bar minus Z1 bar upon Z2 bar minus Z1 bar. Okay, so let us cross multiply. We'll get Z into Z2 bar minus Z1 bar minus Z1 into Z2 bar into Z2 minus, wait a minute, minus Z into, wait a minute, Z into Z2 bar minus Z1 bar minus Z1. What is the coefficient of Z1? Z2 bar minus Z1 bar. This will be equal to Z2 minus Z1 into Z minus Z1 bar. Okay, let us simplify. What are we getting? Everyone, what are we getting? Z into Z2 bar minus Z1 bar plus Z bar into, what is the coefficient of Z bar? Z2 minus Z1 plus Z1 bar Z2 minus Z1 Z2 bar equal to 0. Okay. Now everyone pay attention. Can you people see that this first two terms is written in this format? A bar Z plus AZ bar. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people able to identify this complex number is the conjugate of this complex number? Wait, it should be Z2 minus Z1. And this complex number is the conjugate of this complex number. So it is written in the format AZ bar plus A bar Z. Okay. Next, thinking about this complex number, okay? Let Z1 is equal to A plus A1 plus iota B and Z2 is equal to A2 plus iota B2. Okay, everyone, pay attention. If you find out Z1 bar into Z2 minus Z1 into Z2 bar, what will you get? This will be equal to A1 plus iota B1, sorry, A1 minus iota B1 into A2 plus iota B2 minus A1 plus iota B1 into A2 minus iota B2. Okay, when you open the brackets, what are you getting? A1, A2 minus iota into a1 b2 minus iota into a2 b1 plus b1 b2 minus a1 a2, then a1 into minus iota b2, that will become minus, so plus iota into a1 b2 plus iota into a2 b1 minus b1 b2. Are you people able to see that the real part is getting cancelled? Tell me. Are you people able to see? This implies I can say that z1 z2 bar minus z2 z1 bar is purely imaginary. Right, everyone? It is purely imaginary. Hello, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can replace this whole term by some imaginary number. Okay. So over here in this equation, let a equal to iota into z2 minus z1, then a bar is equal to z2 bar minus z1 bar. Okay. And b be any complex number. Okay. And let us say that and and actually minus iota na minus iota into z2 bar minus z1 bar. Okay. And z1 bar z2. Okay, this whole term I'm taking it as iota b minus z1 z2 bar. Okay, b some iota b because it is purely imaginary. Okay, so the whole equation transforms to, so the equation of the straight line will be straight line will be az bar plus, or you can say a bar z plus az bar plus b equal to 0. Okay, ultimately I'm dividing by iota. Okay, so that's why I'm writing it as a bar z plus az bar plus b is equal to 0. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Tell me, Shamita, Ratim, Devang, Nemil, anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So next, there is something called complex slope of a straight line. Okay, just like you have slope of a straight line, over here you have complex slope of a straight line. Complex slope of a straight line is omega, represented by omega, which is equal to minus a by negative coefficient of z bar divided by coefficient of z, minus a by a bar. Okay. Similarly, complex slope of line joining az1 and bz2 will be z1 minus z2 divided by its conjugate, z1 bar minus z2 bar. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Tell me, Raktim, Devang, or Nini, anyone having any doubt? Miguel, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let us do some problems. Yes, everyone solve these two. They are question 1 and 2 for today. Question number 1, question number 2 for today. Solve. Okay. I would suggest that the first equation you convert it into the Cartesian form. Okay. Convert the equation of the straight line into Cartesian form and then solve. Okay, so everyone, I'm solving the first one. Pay attention. Okay. So as I told you that you have to convert it into the Cartesian form. Okay. And then you find out the image. First of all, in the Cartesian form, what is the point, everyone? Tell me. Point is given as 1 minus iota. What is the point? Can anyone tell me in the Cartesian form? Tell me. What happened, everyone? 1 comma
-1.
minus 1. Okay. Next, we need to find out the image of this point over this line. Okay. So let us convert it into Cartesian form. Let z is equal to x plus iota y. Okay. So if z is equal to x, just give me 1 minute, everyone. Okay. Let z is equal to x plus iota y. And then you substitute. What are you getting? 1 plus iota into x plus iota y minus 1 minus iota into x minus iota y plus 2 iota equal to 0. Okay, let us simplify. What are we getting? X plus iota y plus iota x minus y minus x minus iota y minus iota x, and then minus minus plus iota square, that will be minus, so minus y plus 2 iota equal to 0. Are people getting? You see iota y, wait a minute, x and x gets cancelled, y and y gets cancelled. You are going to get iota into x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Tell me. So this implies the equation of the straight line is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Tell me. Are the people getting, everyone? Next, I need to find out the image of 1 comma minus 1 over the line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So people remember the formula? Tell me. Anyone remembers the direct result? X minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1. So y plus 1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1, that is 1 minus 1 plus 2 divided by a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square. Okay. So this 1 square plus 1 square is 2, and in the numerator 2, they will get cancelled. So what are you getting finally? X equal to, sorry, x minus 1 is equal to minus 2, and y plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So what is the image, everyone? Image is equal to, what's the image? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute, everyone. Iota x plus iota. So actually, it is 2 into x plus y plus 1. Pay attention, everyone. There was 2 iota x, there were 2 iota y, right? So it will be x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, anyways. So it will be 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now let us find it out. These two will get cancelled. Okay. So you are getting x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, and y plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So image is equal to 0 comma minus 2. Okay, which is equal to minus 2 iota. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Raktim, Devang, Onini, Memel, Shamita, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try number 2. Argument of z is given to us. Argument of z. Okay, we need to find out the area bounded by this region. I have already told you what is the meaning of argument. So if you are able to find out, I mean, draw the figure, you'll be able to understand. Over here, the diagram is important. Okay, so everyone see. Argument of z is equal to pi by. Okay, solve quickly. Draw the diagram. Then only you'll be able to understand.
Sir, I've sent it.
Yes, I have received Raktim's answer also. Raktim, let me see. Yes, Raktim, your answer is correct. Okay, Devank has already also sent it. Let me see. Devank, your answer is correct. Everyone pay attention. Argument of z is equal to pi by 3. Argument of z is equal to 2 pi by 3. So what is the meaning of argument of z is equal to pi by 3? Tell me. It is a ray, right? Okay. Argument of z is equal to pi by 3. It is a ray, 60 degree. And argument of z is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is also 60 degree. Okay. Next. Over here it is given that argument of z minus 2 minus 2 root 3. That means the ray originating from this point is pi, means in this direction. Now where does 2 comma 2 root 3 lies? That also we need to see. Okay. Uh, so if 2 comma 2 root 3 is over here, can you people tell me what angle it is making with the x-axis? Can anyone tell me, everyone? What is the angle it makes with the x-axis? If argument of z is equal to 2 comma 2 root 3, what is the angle over here? Shomita, can you tell me? If the coordinates of this point is 2 comma 2 root 3, what is the angle it creates with the x-axis? Tell me. What is this angle? It's very simple. Why are you taking so much time? Cannot understand. Just have to understand the perpendicular distance and base distance. Tell me, Shomita. Acha, maybe you also tell me. Tell me what is the angle it creates with the x-axis? If the coordinate is 2 comma 2 root 3,
Sir,
what is the
60
angle?
degree.
60 degree. What happened, Shomita?
Yes, sir.
So this point will lie on this straight line only, 2 comma 2 root 3. From here, this is drawn, argument of z. Tell me, Shomita, if you are having any difficulty, let me know. Have you understood this problem?
Yes, sir.
You are having any difficulty? Tell me. I'll
No,
explain.
sir.
Okay. So over here, we need to find out the area of this triangle. Acha. So can anyone tell me what kind of a triangle it is? This is 60. This is 60. What kind of a triangle it is? So what is this angle?
60.
So what kind of a
60.
triangle it is?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle. Very simple. You just need to find out mod z and then use the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So what is this length? Mod z. Let us call this as mod z. Mod z is equal to root over 2 square plus 2 root 3 whole square. 2 root 3 whole square is 4 3 are 12 plus 4 16. So 4. Therefore, area is equal to root 3 by 4a square. Done. Which is 4 root 3. Tell me, Memel, Shamita, Anini, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Next. Yes, tell me.
sir, in the previous question, if the straight line was not purely imaginary, then what happened?
If the straight lines were
Not purely imaginary.
not purely imaginary. Couldn't understand.
Sir, in the previous question, where we got the straight line equation as purely imaginary. So if it was not purely imaginary, then what happened?
Means over here,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
where we got purely imaginary. Tell me. Oh, this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, see, actually, this equation is only designed in such a way, okay, such that you'll get purely imaginary complex numbers. Because see, I have taken A also in this format. See, purely imaginary. A bar is also purely imaginary. And the third term is also purely imaginary. The equation of the straight line will also come as purely imaginary. Are you getting?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. It is designed in such a way such that you will always get purely imaginary complex number.
Yes, sir.
Next. So everyone, equation of a circle. What is equation of a circle? Equation of a circle is mod of z minus z naught equal to r. Right. Next. And what is the equation of circle? Joining z1 and z2 as diameter. What is the equation of the circle? Joining z1 and z2 as the diameter. Okay, let us draw the diagram. You'll understand. Okay, let us consider this circle. Okay, where z1 and z2 are the diametric ends. Okay, so let us call this one as z1 and this one as z2. Okay, let us take any point on the complex number, any point on this circle. This is z. Okay, everyone, what is this angle? z1, z, z2. What is this angle? 90 degrees. Right, Mimiel, are you getting? This is 90 degree.
Yes, sir. Semicircle angle.
Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Okay. Okay. So that means this is the whole complex number z minus z2. So this is z minus z2 and this is z minus z1. Okay. Acha. So this is the argument of z minus z2 and this is the argument of z minus z1. Can you people see that this angle is equal to 90 degree plus argument of z minus z1? Tell me. This is the triangle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So I can say argument of z minus z2 minus argument of z minus z1. This will be equal to pi by 2. Right, tell me everyone. So this is the equation of locus. This is the equation of locus of a circle with z1 and z2 as diametric ends. Okay. But actually this will represent only the upper half of the semicircle. Right. This will represent the upper half of semicircle. Okay, this will only represent the upper half of the semicircle. For lower half, what do we need to do? For lower half, what do we need to do? Tell me. If I want to represent the lower half of the semicircle, then this is the argument of z minus z2, and this is the argument of z minus z1. So what is this? What is the difference then? Tell me. Then what is the argument of z minus z2 minus argument of z minus z1? Tell me everyone. Tell me everyone. What is the lower half? What is the difference of their angles then? If this is z, z is lying in the lower half. So what is the difference of the angle? Tell me. Now this angle is argument of z minus z2, and this angle is argument of z minus z1. What is the difference? Tell me. What is this angle? 90 degree. So won't it be minus pi by 2? Tell me, Shomita, Memel, Raktim,
Yes.
or Nini, Devank, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's draw the diagram. Question number 3. Draw argument of z plus iota minus argument of z minus iota is equal to pi by 2. Draw everyone. Okay, I'm solving this one. Argument of z plus iota minus argument of z minus iota is equal to pi by 2.
Let's end.
Send, let me see. Where?
Sir, wait, I'm sending.
Send. There's a slight mistake, Devang. See, it is argument of z plus iota minus argument of z minus iota must be positive pi by 2. Think properly. Shamita or Nini, are you people drawing? No, Shamita, you are making a slight mistake. Onani also, you are making a slight mistake. You people didn't understand, I think, the previous one. Pay attention. So, of course, it will represent a semicircle, but you need to understand which part of the semicircle. Now, this is the circle. This is point 0, comma 1, and this is point 0, comma minus 1. Acha. So, everyone, this ray is z plus iota, means the ray originating from here is z plus iota. Okay. And the ray originating from here is z minus iota. Everyone has drawn this diagram, right? Tell me. Shamita, Raktim, Devank, you also have drawn this diagram only, right? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Tell me. Devank?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Memel, Onrini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But over here, try to understand. Over here, this angle represent argument of z plus iota, and this angle represent argument of z minus iota. In which case, the angle is more? Tell me. This angle minus this angle is equal to pi by 2. What do you think, everyone? This angle minus this angle is equal to pi by 2. No. So it will be on the opposite side. Are you people getting? Tell me. It will be on the opposite side. So this will be z. Okay. That means the locus will represent this part of the semicircle. Is it clear, Shamita, Onini, Memel, Devang?
Yes, sir.
Raktim,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear? Okay,
Yes.
next. General loci on complex numbers. Okay, general loci on complex numbers. Complex numbers. Okay. Part A, number 1. If mod of z minus z naught. Okay, what does mod of z minus z naught represents, everyone? What does it represents? Tell me. What does mod of z minus z naught represents? What happened? The whole chapter is going to get over. Nobody is able to tell me what does mod of z minus z naught represents.
So distance of z from z naught.
Distance from z to z naught, right? Where z naught is a fixed point, z is a variable point.
Yes.
Okay, this is equal to mod of a bar z plus a z bar plus b upon 2 into mod of alpha. Okay. Now you people tell me, what does the right hand side represent? What does it looks like? If you're looking at this expression for the first time, what comes to your head? What is looking at what does it looks like on the right hand side? Huh? What does it looks like? What is a bar z plus a z bar plus b? What is it?
So equation of straight line.
Equation of state. What does it represent? By looking at them first time, does this expression look familiar? Tell me.
So the distance of a point, perpendicular distance from a test line.
Exactly, distance of a point from a straight line, right? So distance of a point from a fixed point is equal to distance of a point from a straight line. Okay. What is the locus of z? Tell me. What does it represent? Distance of a point from a straight parabola. Right? Tell me, everyone. Then locus of z is a parabola. Locus of z is a parabola. And what is the focus? What is the focus? Z naught, whose focus is Z naught, and directrix
Yeah.
is a bar z plus a z bar plus b equal to 0. Okay, provided that the point does not lie on the straight line. Okay, right? People remember, recall the first class of conic. Provided that a bar z naught plus a z naught bar plus b is not equal to 0. Okay, remember. Next, number 2. So you people identify and tell me if z minus z bar whole square plus 8a into z plus z bar is equal to 0. What does it represent? Tell me. What does z minus z bar looks like? I mean, what is z minus z bar in the Cartesian plane? Tell me. Does it looks like something? Z minus z bar and z plus z bar. There is a quadratic and a linear term. What does it represent? There is a quadratic and there is a linear term. What does it represent? Tell me.
Sir, is it a parabola?
So that
Again a
four
para.
parametric equations x minus alpha whole square.
That is y square. This is actually y square, right, everyone? Z minus z bar by 2 is y square plus 4ax. Okay, I'll show you. You'll understand. This is the standard parabola. It's a parabola. And what is the focus? Its focus is a comma 0. And vertex is 0 comma 0. Standard parabola. So see, by looking at the equations, you should be able to identify the locus. And real axis is axis of parabola. Is axis of parabola. Okay, let us see the proof. So suppose z is equal to x plus iota y. Okay, then what is z minus z bar? Z minus z bar is 2 iota y. So 2 iota y whole square plus 8a into 2x must be equal to 0. This implies minus 4y square plus 16ax equal to 0. Are you getting the result? Tell me. Y square equal to 4ax is the required locus. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? Next, part B. Mod of z minus z1 plus mod of z minus z2 equals to k. What does it represent? See, it is sum of the two distances is equal to constant. What does it represent?
So ellipse.
Ellipse. But there is a condition when it should when it should represent an ellipse. Number 1, when k is greater than mod of z1 minus z2, right? And k is greater than mod of means sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side, right? And k is equal greater than mod of z minus z2, then locus of z is an ellipse. Then locus of z is an ellipse whose foci are z1 and z2. Number 2, k equal to z1 minus z2, then what will happen? Then what is the locus? See, sum of any two sides is equal to the third side. What will it represent? Then locus is
A circle.
how it is a circle. Sum of
Yes,
two distances is equal to the third distance. What does it represent? Then locus of z is a
straight.
line segment, right? It's a line segment joining z1 and z2. Right, tell me. Memel, Devang, Shomita, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
And number 3, if k is less than z1 minus z2, what will happen? Is it possible? Tell me. Then no real locus, na? Then no real locus. Next, part C. Mod of z1 minus z2 minus mod of z1 minus sorry, mod of z1 z minus z2 z minus z1 minus mod of z minus z2 equals to k. What does it represents? Tell me. What will it represent?
The hyperbola.
A hyperbola? Number 1. If k is less than mod of z1 minus z2, then only it will represent a hyperbola. Then locus of z is a hyperbola. Whose foci are z1 and z2. Remember. Next, number 2. If k equal to mod of z1 minus z2, then locus is, and what is the locus of z? The union of two rays. The union of two rays emitting from z1 and z2 in opposite directions, like this. In opposite directions, like this. This is z1. This is z2. This is the ray in opposite directions. This is the ray in opposite direction. Now you see, if z is lying over here, this is z minus z2, and this is z minus z1, right? So what is z minus z2 minus z minus z1 mod? It will be z1 minus z2. Are you people able to see? Tell me. If z lies over here in this ray or here in this ray, okay, you'll get the same thing. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
So we have to basically subtract the distances.
Yes, subtract the. See, I'm subtracting the distances only, right? You put z over
Yeah.
here. Z minus z1 is this. Z minus z2 is this. You see, z minus z2 minus z minus z1, you'll get the distance between z1 and z2. So see, that is why I wrote k equal to mod of z1 minus z2. Understood, Devang, the condition?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Okay, one last problem from complex numbers. Okay, this completes our complex numbers, everyone. Question number 4. After this, we'll start with a new chapter. Find the number of complex numbers. Find the number of complex numbers. Satisfying. Satisfying. Mod of z plus z bar plus mod of z minus z bar equals to 2. And mod of z plus iota plus mod of z minus iota equal to 2. Solve quickly. Okay, so I'm solving this one, everyone. Pay attention. We need to find. So what does it represent, everyone? Mod of z plus z bar plus mod of z minus z bar equal to 2. What does it represent? Team, check your answer again. What does it represent? It's like mod of 2x plus mod of 2y equal to 2, right? If we divide it by 2, we are going to get mod of x plus mod of y equals to 1. So everyone, if mod of x plus mod of y equal to 1, what does it represent? Anyone remembers? Mod x plus
Sir,
mod of
square.
a square, right? Tell me. Shamita, are you getting? Do you know mod x plus mod y equal to 1 will represent a square? It will look somewhat like this. It will represent a square. Okay, this is how it will represent a square. Next, what else? What else, everyone? What else? Okay, so this is the locus. Okay, it will represent a square. And everyone, no, Ratim, check your answer again. Mod of z plus iota plus mod of z minus iota equal to 2. What will it represent? Tell me. Just now we have done it. Tell me. Sum of the two distances is equal to constant. What will it represent? Hmm? What happened? Tell me. Memel, tell me. Sum of the two
Sir,
distances.
ellipse.
Ellipse. Every time it will represent an ellipse.
It's a straight line. Joining
Over
two
here, it
sides.
will represent a straight line, na? Because the distance between 0, 1 and 0, minus 1 is also equal to 2. Right. Since
Yes, sir.
distance between 0, comma 1 and 0, comma minus 1 equals to 2. Therefore, it is an ellipse. And if it is an ellipse, sorry, it is a straight line. Okay, joining 0, comma 1 and 0, comma minus 1. So this is the straight line we are talking about. So what is the number of intersection point? At how many points does this square and the straight line intersects? Tell me. At how many points?
2 points.
2 points. Okay. So number of complex numbers will be equal to 2. Okay, see, this kind of question can come in exam. Okay, everyone. Do follow it properly. Okay, so till now, anyone having any doubt? Tell me, Raktim, Anani,
No, sir.
Shamita. Shamita, you have to practice more. You can understand. Devang, are people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so congratulations, everyone. One more chapter is complete. Complex numbers is complete, everyone. Today only I'll start with a new chapter. Okay, your phase 3 syllabus is also complete, everyone. Okay, but this chapter we have to do because generally questions come in advance from this chapter. Okay, in mains you might rarely find one or two questions, but generally questions come in advance from this chapter. Okay, solution of triangles, and you have to be very strong in trigonometry. Solution of triangles. Okay, let us start with solution of triangles. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of solution of triangles? Solution of triangles mean solving for triangles. Okay, solving for triangles. Okay, so first of all, let us understand the standard representation of a triangle. This is the standard representation of a triangle. ABC is a triangle, then AB is denoted by small c, AC is denoted by small p, and BC is denoted by small a. Okay, next. Everyone remember congruency? Right. Everyone remember congruency and all the criterias of congruency of triangles? Okay, congruency means just cut, copy, paste. I mean, copy, paste. Okay, triangle PQR is the copy of triangle ABC. So if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, if I say this, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Okay. So over here, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, can I say that angle A is equal to angle Q? Tell me, everyone. If triangle
Yes.
ABC is equal to triangle PQR, can I say angle A equal to angle Q, angle B equal to angle P, and angle C equal to angle R? Tell me.
No, sir.
No.
No,
So
sir.
over here, the order is very important. Right. Shomita, are you getting? While writing
Yes.
congruency, the order is very important. Acha, so if the order is important, the side AB will be equal to which side? Side
PQ.
BC, PQ. BC will be equal to
QR.
QR, and AC is equal to Yeah. Next, to uniquely determine a triangle, which one is more concrete, congruency or similarity? Tell me, which concept?
Congruence.
Congruency. We require congruency. Remember, everyone knows all the types of triangle. Okay, next. So laws of triangles. Okay. First of all, we have sine rule. Okay. So everyone remember sine rule. If this is a triangle ABC with AB equal to C, AC equal to B, BC equal to A, is the perpendicular H. So everyone, can I say, Acha, what is the sine rule? First of all, I'm writing it down. A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine of angle C is equal to twice of circumradius. A by sine A equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to twice of circumradius. Okay, where R is the circumradius, write it down. I'll prove it. Circumradius. Okay, so let us see the proof. So everyone, the height of the triangle, I can write it as C sine B. Yes or no? Tell me everyone. The height of the triangle, I can write it as C sine B. It is also equal to B sine C. Right, tell me. Already, Memel, Raktim, Anandit, Raktim, Devang. Okay, so from here, can I say Cy sine of angle C is equal to By sine of angle B? This is equation 1. Next. Similarly, if I drop another perpendicular, okay, let us call this as P. So similarly, P is equal to, okay, tell me. Can you people tell me P in terms of angle C?
A sin C.
P equal to A sine C is equal to C sine A. This is number 2. So from one, so from here I'll get Ay sine A is equal to C by sine C. Okay, let us call this equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what do we get? A by sine A equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. Okay, from 1 and 2, A by sine A equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. Okay, next. After this, we have to prove that A by sine A is equal to twice of circumradius. Okay. So I'm going to draw a circle, and a triangle. Okay, let us call this is circle. Okay. And this is the triangle we are talking about. ABC. Okay. So over here, if this is the center of the circle, circumcircle, from here you draw, you join B. This is the circumradius, right? From here you join C. This is also the circumradius. Okay. This is A. This is B. This is C. Okay. Let's call this point as A. Acha, what is triangle OBC? Tell me over here. What is triangle OBC? Tell me everyone. What is triangle OBC? What kind of a triangle it is? Isosceles. Acha, everyone. If this is angle A, what is angle BOC? Tell me.
So 2A.
2A. This is 2A. Okay. From here, if I drop a perpendicular, okay, it will bisect angle O also, right? Since it is an isosceles triangle, it is 90 degree. So this angle is A. Okay. And this is A by 2. BC by 2 is A by 2. Okay. So everyone over here, what is sine of angle A? Tell me. Tell me everyone. Sine of angle A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse A by 2 divided by R. So from here I am getting A by sine A is equal to twice of circumradius. Tell me, Shomita, Memel,
Yes, sir.
Javan,
Yes.
Andini, are people getting?
Yes.
Raktim, are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. So hence, from these two equations, let us call this as equation 3 and this is equation 4. From 3 and 4 we can say, from 3 and 4 we can say A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to twice of circumradius. Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Very simple. Okay, next. So from here we can say A equal to 2R sine A. It will be used very frequently. Okay, everyone. A is equal to 2R sine A. B is equal to 2R sine C, 2R sine B, and C is equal to 2R sine C. These will be used frequently. Okay, in many of the proofs. Okay. So everyone, let us do one problem. Okay, question number 1. Solve everyone. In a triangle, the sides are proportional to cos A by 2, cos B by 2, and cos C by 2. Where A, B, and C are angles of any triangle. You need to find out the angles of the original triangle. Solve. Okay, so everyone see. Over here, the sides are proportional to cos A by 2, cos B by 2, and cos C by 2. Okay. In a triangle, the sides are proportional to these angles. Okay. So, but generally the sides are proportional to sine of some angles. Okay. So we need to find out. We need to convert all of them into some signs. Cos A by 2 is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus A by 2. Right, tell me everyone. Cos A by 2 is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus A by 2. Cos B by 2 is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus B by 2. And cos of C by 2 is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus C by 2. Okay. Okay. So everyone, these are the angles. Okay. Pi by 2 minus A by 2, pi by 2 minus B by 2, and pi by 2 minus C by 2. Now we need to add them up and see whether the sum is coming as 180 degree or not. Everyone tell me. Pi by 2 minus A by 2, pi by 2 minus B by 2. Add plus pi by 2 minus C by 2. Is it coming as 180 degree? It's coming as 3 pi by 2 minus A plus B plus C by 2. That is pi by 2. So this will give us 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2. That is pi. Is it clear, everyone? Hence the angles are. Hence the angles are pi by 2 minus A by 2, pi by 2 minus B by 2, and pi by 2 minus C by 2. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Hence the angles are pi by 2 minus A by 2, pi by 2 minus B by 2, and pi by 2 minus C by 2. Okay. Next, cosine rule. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Shwamita, have you understood? If you haven't understood, let me know.
Sir, understood.
Okay. Raktim Anandit, Raktim Devang,
Yes,
and
sir.
Sir, understood.
okay. Cosine rule. Okay. So you people remember cosine rule? Tell me. You have used cosine rule in complex numbers also. ABC, ABC, ACB, BCJ. Okay. So what is cos of angle A? Somebody tell me. Raise your hand. What is cos of angle A? Tell me. Somebody tell me what is cos of angle A? Hello. Somebody tell me what is cos of angle A? Oh, everyone has forgotten. Okay. See everyone. Cos of angle A is equal to sum of the squares of the two sides including angle A minus square of the opposite side divided by
So
2bc.
b square plus c square minus
A
a
square
square
by
by
2b,
2. Yeah.
2bc. You people have forgotten. Okay. Samita, have you gone through this? I mean, have you ever seen cosine rule before? Divided by 2ac and cos of c. Angle c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Okay. Let us see the proof. How it is coming. What you do is you drop a perpendicular. Okay. You drop a perpendicular. Let us call this as h. So everyone, can I say, this is h, and if this is x, everyone, if this is x, then what is the remaining? Tell me. If BD is x, then what is CD? Tell me. Let us call this as BD. BD is x, then what is CD? Tell me.
Sir, x a minus x.
A minus x. Also, I can say that x equal to C cos B, right? Here x is equal to C cos B. Okay. Next. So I can use Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to C square minus x square is equal to B square minus A minus x whole square. Okay. This implies C square minus x square is equal to B square minus A square plus x square minus 2ax. This implies C square minus x square is equal to B square minus A square minus x square plus 2ax. Minus x square gets cancelled. From here, x is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2a. Now, what is x, everyone? X equal to C cos B. Right, everyone? X is equal to C cos B. So, substitute. This implies C cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2a. Okay. This implies cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2ac. Okay. Hence proved. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Okay, let us do another one. Similar kind of question. Question number 2. So has everyone's school started? Tell me. On any
Yes, sir.
email?
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
It is from April.
April. Solve everyone. Question number 2. Similar kind of question. Tell me what is the answer. Tell me, should I solve? Okay, everyone pay attention.
So 1 minute.
Okay. Remember, the sides are definitely proportional to sines. Over here, sines are all only given. Okay. But the thing is 2a plus 2b plus 2c is not equal to 180 degree. So think. Hey, Devon, check your answer again. The angles will come in terms of A, B, and C only.
Okay, sir.
Again, only the angles will be in terms of A, B, and C, just like the previous problem. You see, question number 1. Okay, pi by 2 minus A by 2. Okay, such that sine of their angle, those angles. Okay, I mean, the sides are proportional to sine of those angles. Okay, so everyone see, currently you see, the sides are proportional to some sines only, sine of some angles. But the problem is 2A plus 2B plus 2C is not equal to 180 degree, right? So you need to convert. Let's just see, can I write sine of 2A is equal to sine of pi minus 2A? Tell me. Can I write sine of 2B is equal to sine of pi minus 2B? Tell me. And can I write sine of 2C is equal to sine of pi minus 2C? Tell me, yes or no, everyone. Can I write this? Sine of 2A is equal to sine of pi minus 2A. Sine of 2B is equal to sine of pi minus 2B. And sine of 2C is equal to sine of pi minus 2C. So over here, what do we get? Now let us add pi minus 2A plus pi minus 2B plus pi minus 2C is equal to how much? 3 pi minus 2 into A plus B plus C. Is it coming as 180 degree? Tell me, everyone. It's pi only. Okay, therefore angles are pi minus 2A, pi minus 2B, and pi minus 2C. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me. Has everyone understood? Okay, next. If A, B, and C are in AP, okay, can I say that sine A, sine B, and sine C are in AP? Tell me. I can say sine A, sine B, and sine C are in AP. Okay. You see, everyone. Let us see the proof. A equal to 2r sine A. B is equal to 2r sine B. And C is equal to 2r sine C. Okay. So see 2r sine A, 2r sine B, and 2r sine C are in AP. Are in AP. Okay. So what you do is you divide by 2r. Or I mean, if three constants are in, if three terms are in AP, everyone. If three terms are in AP, then we can divide by a constant. Then also the terms will be in AP. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. If there are three terms,
Yes, sir.
okay, even if we divide by some constant, then also they are in AP. So can I say that sine A, sine B, and sine C are in AP? Okay. Next, our next topic is projection formula. Projection formula. That is, if this is a triangle ABC. First of all, what is the meaning of projection? I have already taught the meaning of projection, right? Do people remember? In ellipse, in conic section, I think I have taught the meaning of projection. Okay. What is the meaning of projection? Can anyone tell me? Hmm? When I taught normal, subnormal, I have taught you the meaning of projection also. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of projection? What happened? Projection is, what is the projection of this line on this line? It is when you drop a perpendicular. Okay. Let us call this D. Okay. Then BD is the projection of AB on AC. BD is equal to the projection of AB on AC. Right, tell me. Ratim, Devang, you people remember that when the sun is overhead of this triangle, when the sun is overhead of this triangle, where will the shadow of AB lie? Tell me.
Sir, BD.
BD. Right, Shomita, are you getting? If the sun is overhead, where will the shadow of AB lie? On BD?
Yes, sir.
And where will the shadow of AC lie?
On
On
DC.
DC. Okay. So BD is equal to projection of AB on AC. And DC is equal to projection of AC on BC. Okay. So everyone, what is BD in terms of AB and angle B? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what is BD in terms of angle B? Tell me. If AB is C, AC is B, BC is A. Tell me.
Sir, C cos B.
Sine minus.
C cos B on any. And what is DC? What is DC?
C minus C cos B.
Cos.
B cos C. Okay. So everyone, now BC is equal to BD plus DC. BC is equal to BD plus DC. Okay. So what is BD? BD is equal to C cos B and DC is equal to B cos C. Right. BD is equal to C cos B and DC is equal to B cos C. Okay. And what is BC? BC is equal to A. So see, A is equal to C cos B plus B cos C. See the symmetry. The side length A, the side length A is equal to C cos B plus B cos C. So similarly, what is side length B? Tell me. Can anyone tell me? Raise your hand. Just like A is equal to C cos B plus B cos C, what is the side B? Raise your hand. Tell me. Eh, yes, Mabel, tell me. What is B?
Sir, C cos B and A cos C.
No, you're making a mistake. This is B. Eh, This is B. Think about it. Just like A is equal to C into, I mean, A is equal to C into cos of angle B plus B into cos of angle C. What is B? Think. Yes, only tell me.
C cos A plus A cos B.
C cos A plus A cos. Okay, this is B. And what is C? Tell me. C will be equal to A cos B plus B cos A, right? If there's anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, next. Next, our next topic is tangent rule. Just like we have sine rule, cosine rule, we have tangent rule also. Tangent rule. That is Napier's analogy. Tangent rule or Napier's analogy. So what does it say? Tan of difference of two angles, B minus C by 2, is equal to B minus C upon B plus C into cot A by 2. Okay, let us see the proof. Okay, so like by looking at this, what is coming into your head? Tell me. Which rule is coming into your head by looking at this? B minus C by B plus C? Which rule is coming into your head? Tell me. By looking at this. B minus C by 2. I mean, B minus C by B plus C. I mean, there is some rule you might have done it in class 2, 3, or 7, 8. Tell me. Any rule that comes to your head? Any rule related to ratio proportion? Does it look familiar?
The component or dividend.
Component and dividend. Nice. It was so long. So everyone, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'll write down the ratio B by C. B by C is equal to sine B by sine C. Applying dividendo and componendo actually. B minus C by B plus C is equal to sine B minus sine C upon sine B plus sine C. So Shwamita, can you tell me what is sine B minus sine C? Do you remember? Tell me, Shamita,
Yes, sir.
what is sine B minus sine C?
So 2 cos b plus c by 2 sin b minus c by 2.
2 cos B plus C by 2 into sine B minus C by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by 2 sine B plus C by 2
2 sin b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2.
cos B minus C by 2. Now, what is B plus A? B plus C? B plus C is pi minus A, right? Okay. B plus C is pi minus A. So 2 gets cancelled. This will be equal to cos of pi by 2 minus A by 2 into sine B minus C by 2 by cos B minus C by 2 is tan of B minus C by 2 divided by sine of pi minus A by 2. Pi by 2 minus A by 2. Okay. This will become on the right hand side, you are getting tan A by 2 into tan of B minus C by 2. Taking tan A by 2 to the left hand side, you are getting tan of B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C by B plus C into cot A by 2. Okay. Hence proof. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. Okay. Which everyone remembers, right? Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half into product of any two sides multiplied by sine of the included angle. If this is a triangle ABC, ABC is ABC, AC is B, BC is A. Then what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half into AB sine C is equal to half into BC sine A. Okay, everyone remembers? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Half into SC sine B. Samita, you know this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us do some problems, everyone. Okay, solve everyone. These are 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I think Devank has sent me the answer. What about others? Nobody is solving the questions today. Send quickly. Yes, Devank, your answer is correct. Yes, Onnini, your answer is correct. Okay, next. We need to prove that A into sine of B minus C plus B into sine of
What
C minus.
representing? I've done the first two, third is doing.
Okay. Send, Shamita, you also send.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mabel, number 2 is correct. And number 3 is also correct. Okay. So I think only Daktim and Shamita is left for number 2. So Daktim and Shamita, pay attention. Number 2. I mean number 3.
Sir, I am sending.
Send, send. Just use the formulas. If you remember trigonometric ratio formulas. Yes, Shamita, right answer. And any second one is also correct. Okay. So Raktim, I'm solving number 3. Pay attention. A into sine of B minus C. So can I say A equal to 2R sine A? So I can write it as 2R sine A into sine of B minus C plus 2R sine B into sine of B minus C plus 2R sine C into sine of A minus B. Right, Raktim?
Yes, sir.
Sine of A minus B. Now each of them, like sine A. Sine A, can I write it as pi minus of B plus C? Right, tell me. 2R common.
Yes, sir.
Sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta only. So it will be sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C. Do you recall the formula?
Yes, sir.
This is C minus. So tell me, what is sine A plus B into sine A minus B? Tell me. Raktim?
Can you repeat it once?
Huh?
The sign, what you can repeat it once?
I said that's what is sine A plus B into sine A minus B? Do you recall the formula?
Have cos B plus C plus B minus C by minus
You
cos.
have forgotten. That is the that is some angle you are telling. No, you have forgotten. Sine A plus B. into sine A minus B is equal to sine square A minus sine square B. But I think you have forgotten. Tell me. Raktim, can you recall now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, by the next class, recall all the formulas. Raktim, it's important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, what will be there in the brackets? Sine square B minus sine square C plus sine square C minus sine square A plus sine square A minus sine square B. Done. Are you getting? If you don't
Yes.
remember the formulas, it will be difficult to solve these kind of problems. Okay. This is equal to 0. Hence proved. Solve the next one. 4 and 5. Yes, Memel, your answer is correct. Okay, so everyone, do you people have any class around today after this? Tell me.
Sir, I don't have any class.
Raktim?
Sir, I might have a class. I'm not sure about it.
Okay, so can you text me like how will I be notified? Like I am planning to take another class from 10 p.m. today.
Sir, I might have a class. If I don't have class, then I will join.
But you tell quickly so that I can put a message in the group and I can inform these people also. Okay,
Yes. Actually, message, sir, but sir did not reply.
so I did not reply. What
Yes.
class it is?
So physics.
Physics. Acha, okay. Only you are free, right? From 10 today? Hmm? Memel?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let Raktim send and Shomita, you are free, right? From 10?
Yes.
Okay. So let Raktim message me. Okay. If it's possible, then today I'll take another session from 10 o'clock. Okay.
Sir, I can note it just before 10 only, sir.
You
Sir,
can?
sir, if I could not join, then you will send the recording. Because I can
But,
confirm.
huh?
Because I can confirm you just 10 before.
You can confirm it just 10. You message, no problem. Okay.
Sir, then will you inform us whether the class will take place or not?
Yes. If I don't message anything, that means the class is not happening. Okay. If the class is happening, then I'll message. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we have the class tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning. Actually, I have to wake up tonight. Okay. I mean, throughout the night today, I have to wake up. Okay.
Oh, acha, sir.
Yes. I have another class at 3 a.m. Okay. So for that class, I have to wake up. Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
Why? What happened? Tell me, Mimi. You have
No,
some.
no, sir, nothing. I'm just asking.
Okay. Okay, keep sending. Okay, so what about the second one? Second one, nobody has solved. Okay, I'm solving this one, number 6. Okay,
So send the third one.
okay. Okay, Nini, this one is correct. Devang, your answer is correct. Okay, so Raksim, number 4 is done. Tell me.
Doing
Hmm?
solving.
Shamita, this is the answer of 4 or 5. Which one it is?
So 5.
Okay, 5 is correct. Okay, I'm solving 4. Pay attention. Okay, sine of b minus c is equal to b square minus c square by a square into sine a. Okay, so sine of b minus c. Okay, over here, what shall we use? Acha, okay. Let us simplify the right hand side then. The right hand side, I have b square minus c square. So can I write it as 2r sine b whole square minus 2r sine c whole square upon 2r sine a whole square into sine a. Okay, so this will become 4r square into sine square b minus sine square c upon sine square a upon 4r square sine square a into sine a. Okay, so this sine a gets cancelled. 4r square gets cancelled. I'm getting sine square b minus sine square c. So what is sine square b minus sine square b? This is sine b plus c into sine of b minus c. So are we getting the left hand side? Divided by sine a. Sine a and sine b plus c gets cancelled. This is equal to sine of b minus c. Hence proved. Tell me, is it clear, Raktim?
Yes, sir.
Raktim, revise the formulas. It is very important. Okay. Revise the formulas. Next. One last one. Who is left? Okay, everyone has done it. I think Raktim is left. Raktim. Devank, is it done, right?
Yes, sir, I've sent
Okay.
it.
Okay. So I think it's okay. I'm solving this one. Pay attention. This one is easy only. A cos of b minus c by 2. Again, I think I should start with the right hand side only. Okay. So see, uh, Raktim, b plus c into sine a by 2 can be written as 2r sine b plus sine c into sine a by 2. Okay. This will be equal to 2r. Now what is sine c plus sine d? That will be equal to 2 sine b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 into sine a by 2. Okay. So what is 2 sine b plus c? B plus c is pi minus a, pi by 2 minus a by 2. Okay. So this will become cos. So 2 2s are 4r. 4r. Sorry. Let us keep it 2r only. 2r into 2 cos of a by 2 into sine of a by 2 into cos of b minus c by 2. Okay. Acha. So what is 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2? Tell me. Sine A. And Raktim, tell me what is 2r sine
Sir, A.
A cos of b minus c by 2. Is it clear, Raktim?
Yes.
Hence proved. Okay. Okay. So I think everyone, we can keep it till now. Okay. Next class. Okay. I mean, if Raktim texts me around 10, okay, then I'll send everyone a text, okay, that we can have a class.
It can cross 10 also. You can read it. I will see the recording.
Acha. Still then food. Acha, then I'm okay. You text me anyways, okay. I'll let you know. Okay. Okay, I'll let everyone know about today's class. Okay. If I text everyone about today's class, then the class is happening. If I don't text, then the class is not happening. Okay, everyone. Is it clear? Mimel, Shamita, Devang,
Yes.
is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay. Okay.
So the
So
third
thank.
class will take place on 10 if it occurs, right?
If it
Okay.
text, then I'll take the class around 10. If it doesn't, then the class will happen
My
next week.
date will take 15 minutes.
Okay, text, no problem. Okay. Your class will take place, Raktim.
So I'm not sure about that.
Okay, text, anyways, text. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone and good night. Okay, next class will be next week. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, everyone.
Not
Yes.
taking the class.
Huh?
So you're not taking the class today?
Today, I'll text you. Wait for
Okay.
some time.
Okay.
Okay. Let Raktim text me, okay, about the class. Okay. If he does the class, then I'll text everyone that today we are having the class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.